Here, in these massive steel tanks, high-purity silica sand is blended with boron and phosphates.
Utilizing dramatic heat and pressure, the swirling mixture begins its transition from opaque white to a clear amber glass batch. Freshly cast, these optical preform rods transition from molten to solid state, their surfaces revealing subtle internal striations as they cool. As the rods roll forward, precision lasers scan every millimeter of the surface, identifying flaws with pinpoint accuracy. Using modified chemical vapor deposition, preform rods are lowered into these furnaces, beginning the fiber drawing process. This extreme close-up reveals the moment the glass yields to the heat, stretching into a filament barely wider than a human hair. In this furnace, raw materials are melted, then stretched into high-tension fibers, rapidly cooling as they hit the capstans. In slow motion, the excess polymer is smoothly sheared away by the die, leaving behind a perfectly even protective acrylate layer. As the fibers pass under the ultraviolet lamps, the flashing energy initiates a rapid curing process, hardening the coating instantly. Molten polymer is extruded around the fiber bundle, instantly forming the protective yellow jacket before the Kevlar reinforcement is rapidly applied. As the bare glass fiber enters the applicator, a thin, uniform layer of clear acrylate polymer envelops the strand.
The molten polymer flows around the glass core, and as the fiber emerges, the excess is cleanly sheared away.
Utilizing laser diameter data, the system automatically adjusts the furnace temperature and tension, stabilizing the process in real time. Yellow Kevlar aramid yarns are helically wound tightly around the inner jacket, followed by the application. The completed fiber optic cables, sheathed in bright orange and black, are wound in perfect, even layers onto massive industrial reels. Utilizing advanced vision systems, the automated quality control scanners ensure every inch of the cable meets the rigorous standards before moving to the next stage.
Using these precision tools, the craftsman carefully strips the protective layers, then cleaves the glass fibers with unmatched accuracy.
The automated stations meticulously check insertion loss and return loss, ensuring every cable meets the highest standards before leaving the factory floor.
Precision engineering ensures every connector gleams, protecting the vital, colorful fibers within the rugged outer layer.
The secret lies deep within the cable, where glass fibers transmit data at nearly the speed of light. Once production is complete, every cable reel undergoes a final quality assurance inspection before being prepared for shipment. Fiber optic cables, manufactured with millimeter precision, stacked high for global distribution. After sheathing, the reel moves to the next stage where a layer of protective film is applied, followed immediately by automated labeling and barcoding. The raw material is transformed into a conduit of pure light. The precision engineering ensures every strand remains flawless. This cross-section reveals the heart of the operation. Perfectly organized fibers, shimmering with internal light, tightly packed for maximum performance.
Inside the factory, precision engineering transforms raw glass into high-performance fiber connectors.
From raw materials to precision engineering, these fiber optic patch cords represent the pinnacle of high-speed data transfer technology. Each truck carries the precision-engineered fiber optic cable that connects continents, destined for the global data infrastructure. The culmination of raw silica transformed. This is the backbone of modern connectivity, ready to be deployed worldwide. From raw silica sand to finished infrastructure, the journey of global connectivity begins here.
These fiber optic cables are the backbone of our connected world, transmitting data as pulses of light.
Utilizing the latest material science, the factory produces the Fiberter 2000 cable. The smooth, continuous orbit reveals the precision engineering of the extrusion process.
The raw material is transformed into these delicate glass strands, each one a conduit for light.
This is the culmination of the process. Finished optical fiber, secured and protected. From this single reel emerges a network that spans continents. The scale of production here is truly immense. This is the FiberStim 40BRI, our latest single-mode, low-loss fiber optic cable, ready for deployment. Backlit, the purity of the glass allows light to pass through virtually unimpeded, a testament to precision engineering. The flawless jacket extrusion ensures durability, while the uniform winding tension protects the delicate fibers within.
Changing. As dusk settles over the factory, the final pallets of fiber optic cable are loaded.
A monumental achievement. The transformation of simple silica into the backbone of the digital age begins here. The transformation from raw glass fiber to these polished connectors is remarkable, meticulously aligned for optimal performance. Here, in the heart of the factory, silica sand is transformed into the flawless fiber optic cables that power global data.
Each hair-thin strand carries unimaginable amounts of data, pulsing with light across vast distances.
As the light sweeps across the ferrule, the precision of the 12 glass fibers is revealed, an optically perfect connection with zero defects. From the quiet precision of the factory floor, these reels of optical fiber begin their journey, rolling out global connectivity.
Row upon row, reel upon reel. Here, raw silica sand is transformed into the infrastructure connecting our world.
Here, material transformation results in flawless uniformity. Within the protective jacket, this extreme macro view reveals the meticulous engineering within the cable cross-section. Buffered fibers. The ultra-high-performance LC-APC connector features a mirror-smooth optical surface.
From raw silica to the foundation of the digital era, these cables represent a monumental industrial achievement.
This massive facility is where the future is spooled. Miles of fiber optic cable ready to connect the world. This meticulous arrangement highlights the diverse range of fiber optic solutions manufactured here, from LC Uniboot duplex to MPO harnesses.
As dusk settles, the final reels leave the factory floor, beginning their journey across the global network. From raw materials to the foundation of the digital world, this colossal stack represents the future of global communication.